Yeah, Devin here with All Systems Grow. Moving these big bales with our pickup truck. It's a 3/4 ton. I made a little skid here and I'm going to load a bale on it without a tractor. I'll show you guys how I do that, and yeah, it's pretty easy. So the first thing I do is I just lean up the skid against the bale on the flat side, and then I'll strap around the skid and the bale and I'll pull it down and it'll just be on there. It's pretty simple. Yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. You can see that I just got the skid that's attached now standing up to the truck. I've just put a strap around the skid like that. I put some anchors on here at the top. I got a strap around the skid itself, and then what I end up doing with that is looping it around the back of the bale. And it's down about 1/3 on the bale here. The skid's there, it's wrapped around. It's tugging the bale up. I got the bale off the ground already. And you can see that it's going to just flip over and it's going to put the bale right on the skid there. And I can just drag it in. Yeah, then as you can see, the skid has come down now. The bale's sitting on top of it. That strap there, it's underneath the skid. But all I'm going to do is take it off. Yeah, as you can see, I'm driving up the road hauling the bale there. And if you look to the back, you'll be able to see the bale back there being pulled. Weighs 1,400 pounds. Yeah, so it's just the final step to pull the bale off the skid. I just take that same strap that I wrapped around to pull it on. I just keep it up high instead of down low. And then I'll just drive my pickup truck forward here and it'll just top and lock on its side. Yeah, then as you can see, it's off the skid, the bale's on its side. It's easy to roll around now with the truck, and the strap just comes right off it.